Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce this word in French. And from French, this means as in she is beautiful, for example. That's what you would replace the is by if you were to translate this. This is how it is written, and it is pronounced as eh. So essentially the S and the T are silent there. Yeah, I know, don't ask me why, it's French. What this does is because there's ST after the E sound or the E letter, the E, instead of being pronounced E as you would for the letter E by itself, because there are some consonants after it, it becomes that sound eh, which is actually the eh of the accent grave, eh. And now you know. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names from French whose pronunciations aren't obvious at all. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.